Hungary's long-serving Prime Minister Viktor Orban has conceded defeat after 16 years in power, marking a dramatic political shift in the heart of Europe. In a historic election with record turnout, voters delivered a decisive victory to Conservative challenger Peter Magyar, whose TISA party secured a commanding two-thirds majority in Parliament. Crowds of jubilant supporters gathered along the banks of the Danube in Budapest, waving flags, dancing and celebrating what many are calling a new chapter for the country. Magyar, a political newcomer who emerged just 2 years ago, told supporters they had liberated Hungary and pledged to restore democratic checks and balances while steering the country back to the European Union. The result is seen as a major setback for nationalist politics across Europe and beyond. Orban had positioned himself as a champion of a liberal democracy and maintained close ties with leaders like Donald Trump and Vladimir Putin. His defeat also removes one of Moscow's most sympathetic voices inside the EU. European leaders, including those in France and Germany, quickly welcomed the result, with Ukraine's President Volodymyr Zelensky saying he looked forward to closer cooperation. European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen declared Hungary has chosen Europe. Orban, seeking a fifth consecutive term, acknowledged the loss as painful but unambiguous as his party fell far short. Analysts say the result reflects growing frustration over economic stagnation and concerns about democratic backsliding. For many Hungarians, this election signals more than a change in leadership. It marks a turning point for the country's future direction and its place within Europe. For News Central, I'm Afia Hagen.